Want to start meditating but don't know where to begin? You're not alone. Most people struggle with their first few meditation sessions because they don't know how to do it properly. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to start meditation, even if you've never meditated before. Step 1. First, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It doesn't have to be a special meditation room, just a peaceful spot where you feel comfortable. Sit on a cushion, a chair, or even on your bed, but keep your back straight. Step 2. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Relax your shoulders, release any tension, and just allow yourself to settle into the moment. Step 3. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and gently flowing out. You don't need to change your breathing. Just observe it naturally. If your mind starts wandering, which it will, don't fight it. Simply bring your focus back to your breath. Step 4. If you're new to meditation, start with just 5 minutes. Over time, increase to 10, 15, or even 30 minutes. The key is consistency, not duration. Slowly open your eyes, take a deep breath, and take a moment to notice how you feel. Journaling about your experience can help track your progress. That's it. You've just completed your first meditation session. How do you feel? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Vipassana and mindfulness tips. See you in the next video.